Hello, good morning all. Thanks for the time. In here I will presentation review journal. The material is Improving EFL Learners Speaking Proficiency Talk Instagram Vlog. So, I will introduce myself. My name is Nikadek Meliana. Before I continue the material, I will open with Pangan Jalimat. Om Swastiastu. Okay, this is a first slide. This is an introduction. In this study, the research aimed to determine the effectiveness of the Instagram video or blog on the speaking ability to EFL students. In this literature review, seek to critically discuss any research relevant to Instagram and build interaction among EFL students. First, the relationship between Instagram and EFL learning will be discussed. After this discussion will develop to focus on the basic theory of building interaction between EFL students. Next, Instagram is one of the most popular social media among youth in this era. Some limit educators have given considerable attention to its potential as sharing platform for feature and digital video. Video recording itself has been used in language teaching and assessment as one of the components in this oral performance portfolio. Using video recording, learners can observe their own performance, making it possible to do self-reflection, which will lead to learning's autonomy. Okay, the slide, there are two. The first, apart from the cognitive process and physical aspect, other factor with influence EFL learners when they perform a speaking text is the limited number of opportunity to have extensive practice outside the class. And the second, it is in addition to cognitive process and this psychological aspect, other factors that affect EFL when they perform speaking texts are limitation. There are many opportunities to practice extensively outside of class, as they can only practice their speaking skill in speaking classes. Next, in the slide, this is a two introduction. The first, based on this research, this study aims to determine the effectiveness of the Instagram video or vlog on the speaking ability to EFL students. This study efforts some insight into the incorporation of technology by aiding pedagogical value in the popular social media Instagram in EFL speaking classes. And last, Instagram primarily function as a sharing platform that users can use to post personal photo and video with beautiful caption on their profile page. Next, in this slide, this is a methodology. There are three methodologies. The first, speaking practice in this class. Pre-test and post-test are given the improvement made by student. And the second, EALTS speaking test takes 2 issued to obtain standard evaluation criteria. Then they have 1 minute to plan their conversation on the topic. And last, the research adopts an action research designed in a mixed methods research paradigm where the efforts are quantitative. Next, this is a methodology. In this slide, there are 2 methodology. The first, this research adopts an action research designed in a mixed method research paradigm. The data collection tools considered of pre and post test. Participant online, Instagram post and comment, questionnaire, and focus group discussion. Based on the data collected, the perspective of the participant were also disaggregated. And then before the implementation of Instagram Vlog, as an extensive speaking exercise in this class, pre-test and post-test were given to see the improvement made by the students. Okay, this is in this slide, this is a finding and discussion. The first, Instagram Vlog assessments are held every 2 weeks. At first, except for progress test weeks, students are assigned to upload Instagram posts of their videos speaking in English on a time topic for about 1 minute to 3 minutes. Sick vlogs must be produced by the student in that semester to be eligible. And then, since the student has never experienced vlog before, the instruction should be clearly defined. The class person proficiently appointed at the first meeting is responsible for creating one class account that is accessible to all class members. Once the account is created, the username and password are then shared to their line group. Okay, in the slide, this is finding and discussion. There are 4 finding and discussion. First, very simple test was performed on the data to determine whether there was a significant improvement between the students' scores in the pre and post test. Students are assigned to deliver 2 minutes of impromptu speaking with one topic preparation given from the EALTS speaking text 2. And then this research indicates that the application of Instagram Vlog to the EFL speaking class improves the speaking aspect of students. And last, the result of statistical conclusion and questionnaire revealed that the application of Instagram Vlog in the speaking class improve the student EFL speaking skill at a significant level. Okay, in this slide, this is a finding and discussion again. There are 2 finding and discussion. The first, the students state that the Instagram vlog task was improved their fluency because they have few opportunities to practice. And the second, more than half of the participants 63 step challenge they meet with limited time. They mentioned that they could not fully convey their point of view due to the fact an Instagram video can only be a recommended video with a duration of 1 minute. Okay, in this slide, this is a compare and contrast. I will explain. I will talk Gong Troop site. This is Gong Troop 2016. His site investigate the oral performance of 10 Turkish EFL students using video recordings, posts, and Facebook for their speaking class. And then the results showed that the use of digital video cannot improve student speaking ability. And then various research has investigated the use of Facebook and a fourth among others social networking sites. Investigation on Instagram is also worth doing because this feature will profit better and others interactional function, so that it can contribute different effect to student speaking skill. Okay, this is a conclusion. I get 2 points in journal. After I read journal, I get 2 conclusion in this journal. Okay, the conclusion, there are 2. The first, this research was conducted to find out whether Instagram vlogs will research speaking ability to EFL student. It also checks student reception the use of Instagram vlog in the elementary level speaking class. Result products from the pre and post analysis using the statistical scale showed that implementation of Instagram vlogs into speaking classes contribute to improvement of student speaking ability. And then, in addition, analysis, the questionnaire saw that the use of Instagram vlogs contributes to EFL learners about increasing fluency. Okay, this is a methodological limitation of this study. A control group would help research again better insight into how this innovative teaching methodology contribute to oral proficiency compared to conventional methods. Okay, this is a last slide. Thank you for watching my video. For audience, if you have question, you can share in comment box. I close with Param Santi. Om Santi 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 Om. Thank you.